Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at our impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. We are still looking to finish our wave 5 for this impulse, and as you can see, we have broken our acceleration channel taken from the wave 2, and based on the wave 3, we have broken that channel very decisively, and we are still looking for 445 inside this channel after looking at 1112s here. Now on the 1 hour chart, we are looking for two possible scenarios, which one is bullish, one is bearish. Now the bullish is not very bullish. It might be of course even more bearish, because we might be looking at here as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing as an ending diagonal of course, and that means if we finish as an ending diagonal after a correction ABC here, that might rely to your yellow scenario where you have finished a wave 5 here. And that means your wave 4 has been extended to here, and your wave 3 has been expanded to there, and also you have finished your wave 1 over there and your wave 2 here. That means you have finished here a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 as an ending diagonal for your wave 1, and then just a very shallow wave 2 here, and then of course 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for your wave 3, and then a big massive correction of course for your wave 4 here in the yellow scenario, and finally finishing as a diagonal, of course in case only that we take the high. Now if we don't take the high, of course, therefore we are still bearish, and we are still looking at the same counting, which is the wave 3 in orange has topped here, and we are still looking for an X and looking still for a Y of course. Now in case that we have topped the wave 3 here, as I explained in the bullish scenario where we still get one more high, that means your wave 4 in orange scenario might start again from here. If we topped, for example, here for the wave 3, your correction, big correction, might start again for the wave 2 here as a corrective wave for the wave 4, and of course starting over again and again, of course, as a correction. However, on the KGT, as I showed you yesterday, we were here in the video. We were exactly on this top, and I said, of course, don't get trapped with this price action, because we are looking at a new high, and I told you, okay, that is a very strong selling pressure here, and this is exactly what KGT signal gave us, that we might, of course, drop down of course from this price, and this is exactly what happened after the video. And of course this is a 1 minute chart, guys. It's not something, this is more for scalping of course, but however it is very essential to look at the 1 minute chart even to see if a new pattern is confirming or not. Now, as we saw, of course, again, buyers' pressures came in, and here we go, we move up, and however, for now, we are still looking at some selling pressure, and we might possibly move down. However, we can still see some resistance from the buyers here, as you can see. We might, in case that it takes the high one more time, we might of course then see the scenario where we top for a wave 3 here as a diagonal. And I'm saying that if we take the high, because once we take the high, the selling pressure is gonna get back even much stronger here once we get the high, and we might drop down of course again towards the downside. So yeah, be careful with it. I mean, there is not so much impulsive waves here, as you can see. Let's see on the 15-minute chart. You can see that we don't really have an impulse here. We are looking at 3 waves towards the upside, 3 waves down, and possibly a wave C here, and maybe another correction. And in case we see another impulse here to finish this ABC, and we might see, of course, a new high, and that means we're gonna finish in an ending diagonal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So if that is the case, we might of course move this wave 3, and then of course having a new count there, and we might still looking for a wave 4 towards the downside after all, with a longer time, right? And this time will be extended to your wave 3, where we gonna reach of course this wave 4 somewhere else here, right? Yeah, we can remove then the WXY. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen today, if that is gonna be corrective still for a Y, or is gonna just take the high and move our counting to there and finish this ending diagonal. So that was it for Bitcoin price prediction. Trade safe, of course. The KGT, as I showed you, it shows some selling pressure. However, it doesn't mean that the buyers cannot push higher. So if we even look on the 30-second chart, we can see that even that the buyers are entering at this moment higher than before, and that means of course they are pushing higher, and we are looking, as you can see, for higher prices. So yes, trade safe, and let's see what's gonna happen. And okay, I will keep you of course updated on once we get a new high, or once we get a confirmation for a correction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.